Hey everyone, this is Actor Singh from Gossip Funda, and today we are going to talk about io.netty.channel.abstractchannel $annotate connect exception. io.netty.channel.abstractchannel $annotated connect exception error. After collecting various bugs from many users, we examined the matter and formulated a set of resolutions that fix the issue for most of the Minecraftian. Also, we discovered the root cause due to which the Minecraft error is generated. Minecraft is a sandbox game that Manjong has developed and made. The game was released in 2011 and became popular quickly in the online gaming community. There is one of the highest number of players with 91 million monthly registered players. IP issue. In some situations, the problem is caused by the incorrect IP address of port while connected to a server. When the server approves it, the IP address along with the correct port will be used to pass on your connection. If you do not use a static IP, this is very rare. The IP address assigned to you from time to time will change, and several users can be assigned the same IP address. The IP address must therefore be updated every now and then. Solution. Try to reboot your router. In this situation, the first thing you will need to do is turn off the router. Wait a minute and then turn it on again. When waiting, make sure the Ethernet cord is safely plugged into both ends of your device and then the router. This will only happen if you use a wired connection. Make sure your machine can run now, then run Minecraft online. Check your firewall blocking feature. A firewall functions by filtering internet information. There's a chance your computer firewall will obstruct the link to the Minecraft server. To remedy it, you would have to add the game to the firewall outlier list. Go to Start, Settings. Now go to Updates and Security. Select the Windows Security, Firewall and Network Protection. Choose Allow an app to firewall, then touch Change Settings. Yes. Again select Allow another app. Browse. Browse the directory of the installation of the software and pick the executable program and launcher. Perform the above method again and browse this time to the place where you have installed the Minecraft servers. Go to Maxwell, Minecraft server folders. Commit the same way for both the Java executable positions within the directory. Do it all over again once more and rather than just clicking allow another app, merely navigate down the list of available apps after picking the upgrade option and enable all the Java platform SC binary applications via both private and public networks. Launch the launcher on the Minecraft, try connecting to the server and test to see whether the problem continues. If you want to know more about io.netty.channel.abstractchannel $annotated connect exception, please check out our Gossip Funda blog link in the description. If you have any query, feel free to ask in the comment section below. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button and do subscribe and share.